March was neither hot or cold. It was actually quite pleasant. And I'm not talking about the weather, I'm talking about the real estate market. What's going on, everyone? My name is Fraser with Chima Real Estate Group, back to talk about the real estate world and what happened in March for the Fraser Valley region. Before I get started, if you'd like any information about buying or selling in the Fraser Valley, feel free to contact me. All of my information is in the description below, and I would be more than happy to talk to you privately on how I can help you achieve the needs you're looking for. Let's talk about sales and whether homes were flying off the shelf. They weren't. March sales were slower than expected with 1,395 transactions, which is 13% higher than February. But hear me out, 31% lower than the 10-year average, the second lowest reported number of sales for March in a decade. Now, for new listings, it increased by 7%, totaling 2,986, which is still 12% below the 10-year average. But it's not all doom and gloom, the stats need context. We didn't see a big jump in sales in March because the big jump already happened in January and February. Usually it's seasonal, so as the weather gets better and we move from winter to spring, buyers and sellers also wake up from hibernating and transact in the warmer months. This year we saw a higher than usual amount of activity in January and February, and that activity has stayed consistent in March. Let's talk about what everyone wants to know. Home prices. Did they go up or down? Home prices went up across the board for all property types. Let's break it down. The benchmark price for single-family detached home is now $1,517,000, which is up 2.1% from February and 8.8% from March 2023. The benchmark price for a townhome is $846,000, which is 1.9% higher than February and 7.2% higher than March 2023. And for condos, the price is $555,000, which is 1.6% higher than February and 6.9% higher than March 2023. So let's recap. Sales are lower than usual, listings are lower than usual, and price still went up? Let me explain why. Prices go up if we're in a specific type of market, and that's a seller's market. The real estate market is considered balanced when the sales to active listing ratio is between 12 and 20%. Single-family homes have a ratio of 21%, townhomes have a ratio of 44%, and condos have a ratio of 29%, all firmly above the 20% threshold, which indicates we're in a strong seller's market, especially townhomes, which is why we've seen prices go up in March. So overall, in 2024, we have seen 3 consistently busy months in real estate. Instead of picking up in March like it usually does, the market got active in January and has steadily gotten busier and busier each month, which has resulted in a seller's market and prices going up. If you like this video or would like anything else with buying or selling or investing in the Fraser Valley, feel free to contact me. All of my information is in the description below, and I would be more than happy to talk to you privately on how I can help you achieve the needs you're looking for.